Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change the review policy of anti-gravity. So if you don't know about what review policy and its options are, let me give you a brief overview. So the artifact review policy governs when the agent presents its plan, like task outlines, implementation plans, for approval before continuing. There are some key validations which are available. So let me show you how you can access these validations. So to do that, first click onto the settings gear icon just besides your profile picture, and then from here click onto Open Gravity user settings. Now from here you will need to go to the agent, and within the agent you can see under artifact the review policy. So now this review policy has three options. The first one is always proceed, which means that the agent never asks for review, operating with maximum autonomy to create and modify files instantly. Then the another option is always is that agent decides. This is the recommended settings that one should choose, as the agent decides when a task is complex enough to require user input, thus pausing to ask for review when necessary. Then the third option is ask for reviews. Here the agent always pauses to ask for user approval before proceeding with any action, just acting like a junior developer submitting code for review. This is the most secure option. So now, after understanding the same, you can choose that particular policy that best suits you. So that was all for the review policy. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.